Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Two changes have been made to the Reggae Boys squad announced for the start of their final round of CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers, with Mount Pleasant FA's Jamoy Topi and Ronaldo Webster of Macedonian club Skundia being brought in as replacements. Topi, who is a defender at Mount Pleasant FA, is expected to replace Ethan Pinnock of Brentford in the English Premier League, while Webster, who plies his trade as a defender/midfielder with Skundia in North Macedonia, will replace Amari Bell of Charlton Athletic in the English Championship. Pinnock and Bell are expected to miss their encounters due to injury concerns. The pair will join captain Andre Blake, Leon Bailey, Bobby Reid and Joel Latiboder, who had already been ruled out of the campaign's opening fixtures with injuries. Topi last played for the Reggae Boys in 2023, while Webster, who also played for Reno and Cavalier before moving to Macedonia, last played for Jamaica at the CAC Games in 2023. Meanwhile, other members of the Reggae Boys squad have already begun arriving in the island ahead of Friday's World Cup qualifier away to Bermuda. And Jamaica will also host the Trinidad and Tobago in the second match of the September window next week, Wednesday, September 10. Champions Cavaliers secured their first win in 4 games in all competitions when they came from behind to beat Arnett Gardens 3-2 in the Jamaica Premier League at Sabina Park on Monday. Oshiki Kelson gave Arnett a 9th-minute lead before Jamoy Dennis equalized for Cavalier in the 20th. Cavalier then went ahead when summer signing Denzel McKenzie made it 2-1 in the 39th. McKenzie returned 3 minutes later to make it 3-1 with his second on the day. An own goal from Giovanni Leng in the 68th gave Arnett hope, but the title holders held on for the win.
As you can see, a couple of changes were made and it didn't work out as best as how we had planned it. But again, it's just things that we have to work on to get the team better, gelling to better, getting to play more together in terms of the midfield. It's a different midfield as I said today. So you're going to find a little gap here and there. So Arnett Gardens is one of those hard running teams, so it's going to expose some of the things then. So for us, looking at it now, we're just going to fix it going forward.
This was a second straight defeat for Arnett and a third in their last 3 games in all competitions. Elsewhere, Shaquille Bradford scored for the second successive game for Mount Pleasant, but they're yet to win as Malines United snatched a point in a 1-1 draw in the second match of a doubleheader at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. And Jordan Fletcher netted a sensational double as former champions Montego Bay United turned back Treasure Beach FC 3-1. Fletcher scored both goals in time added, while Jamari Clark had opened the scoring in the 14th for Montego Bay United. Amari Brown had equalized in the 88th for the St. Elizabeth-based Treasure Beach. American Olympic champion Gabby Thomas will miss this month's World Athletics Championships in Tokyo, Japan with an Achilles tendon injury. Thomas has been dealing with the injury since May. Thomas, who won the 200 meters in Paris and was on the gold medal winning 4x100 and 4x400 meter relay teams, said the injury worsened in July. Thomas had finished third at the US trials. The 28-year-old says she plans to compete in 2026. And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine, and that's the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.